水不要在一边，靠在中间。OK。
Can you guys in the boat? Turn it right side up. In the right side up. Don't get any water. Turn it over.
Flip it over.
Flip it over. All the way.
Keep flipping.
Almost. Almost.
I think I'll hold you.
Okay. That's it. Let it go. Don't stand up. There you go.
No, don't stand up.
Exactly. Don't slide. No. Now slide it back.
Slide back in the water.
Hey. Great. Now you guys can do it. All right.
Now hang on to the side while they...
All right, right, go.
Alright, so they could hang on to it.
You guys in the boat, when you slide it back in the water, grab it. So
Oh,
it doesn't
sorry,
fall off.
too much.
Because you guys can hang on to the side to help balance it.
All right.
Get the next boat next to you.
Push down on your. You're gonna crash.
Hey, you guys, why did you abandon them?
Because we don't need them anymore.
No, you need to help them. Watch out. Watch out.
Watch out.
Now, both of you grab hold of the side rails of that canoe.
Keep the rope. Keep the rope.
Yeah, that's it.
I say
No, she needs to get on the other side. She needs to get on the other side.
steady on the outside.
Other side. Now you guys hang on to that and balance it for them.
Yeah.
Balance it.
Balance.
Balance, balance, balance. Roll in, roll in, roll in. Hey.
Good job.
Nice one, nice one. Hanging on to it for him.
Now keep hanging on. He can help her in.
Yeah.
Hold your hat, ma'am. Hold your hat on.
不能打他手，这样子会那个，要拉他的救生衣。你不拉救生衣，他的手会那个跳脱。
Kid, reach across. Give her a hand.
If I'm gonna go to the car, I need the keys. Okay, all the way.
拉他救生衣啊，这样子没办法拉上来，手会脱臼。
Ow.
不能拉他救生衣。
Careful, don't get him in the face. How much time did I do these skills up here?
I'm not sure what. They just have to reverse this, and I think that's it.
That's the last thing they need to do in here.
Well, they need to reverse once she gets back in.
What do you mean reverse?
The other team needs to dump it and get back in.
They did it down here, didn't they?
No, the other team needs to swamp and put their boat over, empty the boat.
要往上。
What's the kid's name?
Kid's name is Isaac. Isaac.
Isaac, reach across and give her a hand. Use your hand.
Don't use the paddle, use your hand. They'll slip off.
Grab her by the life vest.
But this is the last thing they need to do, right?
Yeah, we did it the last thing here. Remember we did
No, but they need to flip it over and do the same
they
thing
need
they're
to-
doing.
Yeah. They need to try.
That's it.
All right.
你那个靠过去，要不然会翻过来你们的船。你要 keep balance。
Okay. Oh no, keep it flat.
No, Isaac，你要在前面，你不能。No。We go to Isaac there. You gotta have line.
You guys, go to the back of the boat. Push down.
No.
不要拉，不要拉 Isaac 这样，对。转过来 Isaac 这样，你们有的人要去搬了，是吧？不是，你不要拉，你不要拉。
Push down, Isaac. Push down. There you go. There you go.
Okay, lift.
Front. Up and
That's
down.
it.
Go.
上一手，上一手，
Come on, you.
上一手，两个压。
There you go. Okay, pull it all the way up on your chin. All
好，
the
我来
way.
翻好。
等一下，等一下。
等一下，等一下。
Wait, wait.
More.
A little bit more.
More. Now flip it.
Flip it，好，
你要往哪边翻？
我来翻。你坐好就好了，你坐好，坐好，你脚放好。
Hurry, tiny reflector.
你要放好脚对。等一下把水弄出来。
Keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
Now slide in the water.
Down.
那绳子在哪一边？对。
Onto it.
OK，往那边。
No, but hang on to it. Hang on to the sides of it.
Hang on to it. Hang on to it.
That's a good shot. I should get my camera out, huh?
好吧，抓过来，抓两边。
Get back in.
Hang on to it. Bring it over next to yours so you're hanging on to it. Gives it more support. Okay, Isaac goes in last. What's his name?
你们两个一个人要看我。
I haven't learned their names very well.
Isaac, you go in last.
Try to reach with your hand.
你
Bend
最
low.
后上。
Bend low. Now go. Reach with your
过
hand.
去一点。
Smash them.
抓紧了没？
Okay.
Up and over.
Get into the boat. Okay, grab the first.
I'm the first.
You're first.
Okay.
We have a bleeding passenger here.
Kick your feet. You guys push down on the side. Push down on that boat. So it picks it up. Wait till he gets in there. Yeah. You want to wait till he gets in and then start pushing. Okay. 你先把它下来，上来一半的时候再把它。
Okay.
Like this? Okay. You ready? And wait, 等一下，等一下。Okay, good, not yet. Okay, that's okay. Watch out. Your leg over. Okay, hold fast. Not gonna get in right away. We're
不用不用不用。
That's it. That's it. Now it's going to take all three of you to get Isaac in.
OK， Isaac，快嘛。
Push, push, push. Grab the bar, grab the bar. Get that bar. Okay, this way over. Oh, right, better.
We almost had it drowning.
You don't know.
I do that a lot.
Let down a little.
Okay, Johnny.
让它高一点，让它比较容易上来。好。That's the hardest part of the 要抓上手。
Come on, Isaac, roll, pull. Pull, Isaac.
Over, over,
Flip,
over,
flip, flip, flip,
over,
flip.
over, over. Come on, bring that leg all the way, all the way. All the way.
Pull yourself. Pull yourself. Pull yourself. Arm. Kick. Kick. Kick.
Kick.